Hello, guys. You're welcome back again on the BETONG Crypto, a place where you go and get important education on how to make cap money in the crypto space. Today, I want us to dive into the smart money concept, vector candles, how to follow the money. Where is the liquidity in the market? Learn where this is so that you can protect yourself from losing and increase your chances to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrency. If say you are new here, you are welcome. If say you are an OG of this platform, thanks for always being here with me. But having said that, guys, let's dive right away into what I got for you today. But don't forget to subscribe if say you are new here. Now, guys, the smart money concept or vector candles or liquidity market makers, this is just a way to tell us how the market is being moved or how the market operates, right? The market moves in waves, and these guys who run exchanges or who provide liquidity, they are out there to make money, no doubt. As you are there to make money, they are also out there to make money, and they are following, where the money is, where people are going to be liquidated. They are going to take price to that area and liquidate people so that they can make money from those fees, right? Those spreads. If you are liquidated, they make money. And that's gonna fill their position because they are out there to trade against you. So that's just how it is. Now I want to go to Bitcoin so I can share with you, how this is being applicable on the chart. I'm gonna come back to this liquidation heat map. I'm gonna explain to you guys, how this works and what you need to be looking at if say you open a chart like this liquidation heat map. You see, okay, there's this area like 43,600. There's huge liquidation there, about 37 million. Then below here around 42,500, there's also about 37 million there liquidation. So if price gets there, these guys are going to be liquidated 37 or 39 million, something like that. Now, let's go to, I want to show you guys something here. This like what you see here on my screen are called vector candles, and I've learned more about vector candles from Tino Traders Reality. This guy is an amazing guy. I watch his channel every day, and I learn every day. He's an OG in trading. So go and check out Traders Reality. He has done a lot of videos about this. Anyways, you can also go there and learn more about this vector candle. But guys, the reason why you should do this is this. This helps you to know or to predict where price can move towards, right? I'm just gonna make this, take all of this so I can have a clean chart here for you guys to see, because this is how it looks like when you look at, Tino's platform. Now, these are green candles. We have red candles. We have blue candles. We have pink candles. Now, these candles have different roles in the market, right? And it depends also where the candle is forming. Now, we have here the 5-day moving average and the 50-minute, the 30 minutes moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. Now, this is live Bitcoin price on the 50-minute time frame. Now, looking at the rules of the vector candles, eliminating everything in the market, you can see that price, like at this point, price moved from here, pump to the upside. And what is happening here? The market makers, those who provide liquidity, are the one who are building shorts, because when you are buying, they are selling to you. So if they are selling to you, but when you are buying, when price is going up, because these green vector candles represent like high volume, like the market makers, they are the ones who are providing, like they are selling to you. So when you see green candles like this form in these areas, around above this 50-day moving average, it gives you the opportunity to understand, how to position yourself to understand what might happen next. Because when you know what might happen next, then you're gonna start looking at opportunities to either short or maybe just stay away from the market. Now, when you see these green candles forming like this in this range, it means that the market makers are building short and they are going to bring back price down, and when they bring price down, they are going to build longs along the way. So when price move like this, right, they're going to bring it back down to recover these vector candles. So looking at this zone, it will automatically tell you that, okay, now I have to be careful because I don't want to buy it now. I want to be looking at opportunity to sell. So like, this is not just like something you wake up and you just do, like that. You have to look at other, conflict, like what is going on in the market, what is actually the structure of the market. So you can zoom out more to see that, okay, this is the structure of the market. You can even go to the 15 minutes time frame to look at the structure of the market, right? And from this time frame, you can easily tell that the market somehow is in an uptrend, even though we are seeing, all this is an uptrend from this level here, right? So price pump to this upside, price retrace back and recover all these vector candles. You can see this green, and you can see opposite to this green candles are red candles, and the pink candles. After that, the market has recovered all of these candles again, and building. So they keep doing this constantly over and over and over again. So when you see these blue vector candles, vector candle form above this, like above the 50-day moving average in an uptrend, it means they are preparing to short the market, like to bring price to the downside. And when you see these red candles appearing in the downside, it means they are building longs. So they are preparing to, push price back to the upside. You can see each time you see a red vector candles, there's always a buyback. Each time, guys, you can see we can go back and see, like when we see a red candle, we see a buyback. You see a red candle, you see a buyback. You see green, red, then red. So they keep, like, this is a process that they do constantly. That if, say, you understand, you master this process, you'll be able to follow where the money is. And you can as well come to this liquidation heat map. This is free, guys. You can go to coinglass.com and you're gonna get this. Now, this is the zone where price can get to. So you can see that if price get to, like, looking at the fact that the market makers are always going to take price to where liquidity is, because they want to liquidate those who are either in longs or short positions. So now you know that price can either come to this area or down here. So you can either put your stop loss if, say, you are longing, right? You are in a long position. You can go now see that, okay, this is the scenario. Price can either go to this upside or price can go to the downside. Now you go to your chart, you look at market structure. What is price doing? What can they do at this point in time, looking at what price is doing? So when you understand what price is doing and look how price has been building from below, moving to the upside, and price is rejecting certain areas, you can immediately tell that, okay, if, say, price breaks structure, if, say, you can see price has been respecting structure ever since price make its way to this downside. Like you can see, price has been making higher lows. You can see yeah, and yeah. So if structure is being broken, like price moved downwards, broke this structure, it means they are gonna favor price more downward to reclaim the liquidity below this level. This one here around 42,000. This is around 42,400 or 500 area. So they are gonna bring price there. So knowing all this, you can as well look at your altcoins and say which level. Let's say, for example, let me bring an altcoin here that we always, let's just say, for example, Solana, or let me bring OD, because I always talk about OD here on this platform. So let's say, for example, this is OD, right? And This is already on the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see already is also doing the same thing as Bitcoin, recovering all these vector candles, right? So we know that already moves more than Bitcoin. If you say Bitcoin is going to make its way to 44,000 or 45,000 or 50,000, we can see already move drastically to $100 per order. That's a drastic move for order. So knowing that, you are looking at the fact that Ori also is making higher lows, or, on this lower time frame. And if say Ori breaks structure, if Bitcoin is breaking structure and Ori breaks structure, it means Ori is going to favor more downward price. And if Bitcoin breaks structure upward, it means Ori is going to break structure and favor more upside. So you can go now to the higher time frame and look at price on the higher time frame and see, okay, now this is the level where Ori is, and this is where Ori has moved towards. Ori has moved towards this level, but Ori has attempted to move around this 64 price area, and Ori hasn't been successful yet. So it means that this is the first zone where we're gonna get rejection. Like price is gonna reject this area if say price get there. If you see a sudden pump with Bitcoin and already pump from $54 right now to $64, how many percent that's gonna be for us if say we are now playing the game, the smart money game? That's gonna be about 18%, but Bitcoin can move about 5%. You see, they will move about 18%. This is how you follow the money and take advantage to trade other altcoins. Guys, I'm so happy that I'm able to come here every now and then and educate you guys on how you can make money in the market. You are welcome. Terry, hello from Uzbekistan. You are welcome. It's good to have you here. So, guys, I always want to see you guys succeed in this market. I want to see you guys be able to look at the market and make profit from the market. It's a joy to me to see that I'm able to help people out there build something sustainable. Guys, if you look at how price move, if you look at how Bitcoin moves, this is the same also with Ethereum. You can, Ethereum is always gonna move with Bitcoin. Now there is this target for Ethereum on the 4 hours time frame, or I marked this before, but now it's still playing out, and this is gonna be in confluence with what Bitcoin is gonna do. So let's go to the lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and see that okay, Bitcoin is also moving and Ethereum is moving as well. Now, Ethereum has been rejecting this zone. This is the value area high, or if you look at the volume profile, it means that this is an area. If price break above and retest it, then we can see Ethereum move right up to $25,000, $2,500 per Ethereum, or $2,450 dollars. So knowing this, you can also see that Ethereum has been recovering these vector candles as well. You can see this one was recovered, this one was recovered, this one was recovered. So they keep recovering all these vector candles, and price is always gonna go to, not always, most at times, price is gonna go to that vector candle, and when price get there, guys, that's when they are gonna be looking to bring price back down. Now, okay, for example, if say we are in this stream right now, let's go to the 5 minutes time frame for Bitcoin and see this. There is this vector candle forming right now, for Bitcoin, and this is let me see if say the same thing I mentioned is gonna play out, because you can see this is a green vector candle. The law of the vector candle says that the market makers are always going to favor, recover this price again, right? So if looking at what is happening here, they are pumping, the market is about to open, and they are pumping this price. Guys, I even have a long position right now, and I did open a long position because I have realized that price has been respecting structure, building this structure. And if price is respecting this structure on the lower time frame, if I draw this trend line here, I think that maybe if price have to, we have to see a sudden, dip here, price gonna respect this 800 moving average, and I'm gonna still be bullish with Bitcoin looking at the 5 minutes time frame. All right. So if say this candle close, this green candle close, this is a vector candle and it's forming above price, above all moving averages, meaning they might be preparing to bring back price to recover, these levels. So they are building shorts. When you see this green candle forming like that, it means they are building shorts. They are preparing to take the market downwards. Meanwhile, retail investors are short, like are longing right now. They are like, oh, price is going up, but they don't know that these vector candles, it represent, who is actually doing what in the market at that particular period in time. You can see these other candles. Don't pay attention to it like this. It's like, let me say black or gray, something like that. Don't pay attention to it. Pay attention to this green. These green candles, these blue candles. Like guys, how I use this is when I see price moving downward like this, these red vector candles, and I see the purple. Seeing the purple at a downtrend means that the market maker is about to push price back to the upside. Seeing the pink candles on doing the downward movement, it means that they are preparing to reverse the price back to the upside in no time. And what I want to wait for, or what I want to see, before I get into any of these trades, is either this blue vector candles or these green vector candles. And if I'm buying from these green vector candles, my stop loss is going to be below this, below this level, below this dip here, this level, and I'm going to target the top, right? The top, or this area where the vector candle is, like you can see it here. So if I would have been trading this, right, I would have been scalping this short term, scalping, then price came here, I would have buy again, scalp to the upside, and then seeing this, I would have been waiting for price to reverse back to the upside. So if I go now, like I have multiple stuff, guys. You can get this indicator. Let me go to indicators. You can get this from TradingView. If you don't yet have TradingView, you should get TradingView. It's free in the like, if say you don't want to pay for the next 30 days, you can have 30 days free trial. Get it, and if say you realize it's not something good for you, then you can let go. But 30 days is enough for you to actually learn how to use TradingView, and also how to follow the stuff I do here. And if say you see that it helps you to make more money, of course, then you can pay the bill. It's not that much. You have to pay, I think that's about $10 every month, of let's say about $10 or $15 every month. And if say you use it every month and you make money, then that's nothing. You can be paying that for sure. So just go and search for Traders Reality. Traders Reality main. So this is it. And when you get this, you're gonna get all these indicators. Yeah. But I think if say I want you to get something, if say you just want to get this, all you have to do is get the Traders Reality PVSRO. Or you can get the Trader Realities main. When you get this, then help you form all these vector candles. But guys, as I mentioned, go and watch show. He talks about this every day, and I watch his shows every day. I learn every day, from him as well. Guys, like, this is a learning process. It's a day I learn every day. I'm not gonna come here and tell you guys, oh, I don't watch any videos. I only watch my video, or I only do my videos. I watch other videos. I watch videos from those who can actually help me to be more profitable. So when I look at these guys and look at how they have been successful in what they do, and try to copy the same thing they do, and apply my own stuff there, because I have brought in my own indicators, and my own indicator, it helps me now to actually be more efficient to trade. So I have bought in the alpha trend, I've bought in my the BETONG moving average. So I have all this now, also the Trendilo. All this helps me to increase my winning chances, because I know that I've mastered all these indicators, and we are come to realize that if price is moving like this, and I buy here, and price come to this level and print another buy, I'm gonna buy again. Then so I keep adding to my position until price can get to where price is gonna get to, then take out profit. You can see here, guys, what I mentioned is happening. You can see they are trying to recover this candle here. They built a short, now they're bringing price downward, which is exactly what I mentioned. And if say you would have been buying this, right, like from this level here, we have gotten out from this level, like where this sell signal is printed. That's why I use the alpha trend indicator. This one also is free. Go on TradingView and just search for alpha trend. This is free alpha trend screener by Key Vance, or this is the first one. Use that one screener. This is what I use. So when I see this sell signal here and I see price dip suddenly, I know that price is gonna come back there, and that's my take profit. And if price move above, price will come back and retest that area, and that's my buy. So I don't want to stress myself. Of course, guys, this is not 100% wins case scenario. Of course, no one is 100% like accurate, but most of the time, that's why you see like you hear me, guys, like you hear me saying that most of the time you can make money if you trade spot, right? Because I look at these levels and I try to eliminate the noise. I try to run away from the volatility, and knowing that Bitcoin is the alpha and Bitcoin will move the market. If I see Bitcoin in these critical levels, I look at my altcoins, that I love, that move alongside Bitcoin. I buy it. I know that because I know that they are going to move more than Bitcoin. I don't want to buy everything, guys. There are so many coins out there. You cannot buy every coin, right? You have to focus on the ones you understand how it moves. You say you have studied the chart, you know that this coin moves like this. You are there to follow the money when it comes on board. And when it's time to sell, you sell. Time to buy, you buy. And time to take out profit, you take out profit. What more do you want? Do you want to, like, guys, the money is in the market. And when you look at the top coins, don't think that only these meme coins, these coins that people will say, you're going to make 100x, 1000x, it's going to make you money. No, you can compound from this strategy every day. You look at price action, you look at different sessions, like the Asian section, the UK session, and the US session. Like, I trade sessions. Before I didn't know about sessions, but watching, Trade, Travel, and Chill from Annie. Guys, I'm gonna charge my phone, my computer. Let me charge it before it go off. One moment. Oh, it would have went off. Sorry, guys. I had to plug the charger before my laptop would have gone off. But now I'm back. So I watched this, like, Annie from Trade, Travel and Chill. This is her indicator. The market session. I also watch Tino, this is his indicator, the hybrid system, and also I watch funky candles. This guy, go and search them on YouTube. They have amazing content. And when you hear me talk about volume profile, smart money concept, the BETONG strategy, I have combined all this good stuff from this guy. Then I add my own stuff there to give me more, confidence to predict, because we are predicting and we look at price action to predict where price might move towards. And when the prediction is okay, you make gains. And if the prediction is not okay, then you know that your stop loss is like your risk management is proper, like it's okay. You won't lose that huge amount of money. For example, I have an ongoing trade right now for Bitcoin. Let me show you guys this trade. I have this trade right now, and my stop loss. Like my stop loss. I don't play with leverage. I have, like, this is 3x leverage. And I'm up 1.2 this percent. And I have right now $123. On Bybit for this trade. Now, this is my, you can see my take profit is at $44 and my stop loss is at 42,560. Now, this is the what I'm gonna lose 2.5, and this is what I'm gonna make $10. Right? So this is my new portfolio on Bybit. This copy trading, portfolio on Bybit. You can copy trade me if you want, and then you can make some profit if I make profit. Now I'm playing with this. I'm gonna increase the capital for this, to about $1,000 of, like, let's say 500, to be trading only Bitcoin on this platform, on this section. So what I want to do right now is be able to understand like how I can combine everything I have like as a package and be able to deploy it, to my existing strategy, so I can make more gains. Now, if I'm able to make $10, yesterday I made money. I left the money because I was waiting to add more, So if I see that price keep respecting structure, price is not breaking structure, I'm gonna keep moving my stop loss, and I'm gonna keep adding, to this position. So I can add to this position. It can go right up to about $1,000. So I'm gonna be adding, and if say I see that the market, like market structure is broken, right? Then I can now say, okay, no need for me to stay in the market, right? I can now take out my profit and move to something else. So this is how we should go about, or you should go about, investing, preparing yourself for what might happen in the market, and looking at these liquidation areas. You're gonna understand. You can see price is favoring favoring the upside. It means that we can see price spike and take this liquidity at around 43,500. Price attempt to get there yesterday, but it didn't succeed. But we can see price do that today. The 44,000 area is my target, and if say I see price keep respecting structure, holding zones, I'm not gonna go close my trade, right? I'm gonna keep adding to my trade until I get to a point where I know this is the time for me to actually cash out profit and sell, right? So this is what I have for you guys today. Hopefully you got some value. If so you did got some value from this content, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this content, guys. If you are watching and you haven't really liked this content, then I don't know, maybe you are like, you don't want me to grow, right? Or you don't want others to get this video. So I want you to like this content, share my videos, so that we can build a community from where we are right now to where I want us to be. I think I'm gonna do a massive giveaway when I get to 5,000 subscribers. I am about 300 subscription away. I think I'm gonna give like something really amazing to someone, at least two people within my community, or maybe I can divide it to about, like, say 5 people within my community, who are subscribed to my platform. So make sure you are subscribed to my platform. I'm gonna do that massive giveaway. Audi can get to $20. Yeah, Audi can get to I see Audi even get to $20. I know that. I know Audi will get to $20. I'm gonna do a separate Audi video on that, like price predictions for Audi, but I think Audi can do just that. All right, guys. See you in the next video tomorrow, the same time. God bless you, and don't forget to always follow the money. Don't follow the noise in the market. Follow your plan. Always watch my videos. If you have questions, ask, and I'm going to respond to you accordingly. I'm here for you. Thanks so much for being here with me as well. Bye-bye.